Man, nothing in there.
Just a couple?
Yeah, nothing in there. How you doing, buddy?
Good. I've been watching your videos.
Nice, nice. I lost some of that damn footage. My camera froze that day.
I noticed that
I watched some of them videos last night of other people doing that stuff. It's ridiculous. I got to get that video again.
With the transformer.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I noticed that. I was gonna ask you
Couldn't
about
get
that.
it. It froze. It froze. It froze. How you doing, buddy?
Good. How about you, man?
My name's Drew.
That was some
Cody.
good knowledge.
You call me Scrapping with Grandpa.
I actually
Call you what?
Got him all scrapping with Grandpa.
Scrapping with Grandpa.
Yeah.
I like it.
Kyle, pleasure to meet you.
Kyle, nice to meet you too, brother.
I actually finished all
Yeah,
of
that
this.
sucks, man. One day I'm gonna come back. Yeah, yeah. Cause
bring me one and I'll do it.
man, I gotta show you. I gotta show you some. That one there, I didn't cut the shit off. It was just fucking. You know, I didn't cut it off. Here's another one.
Ready to go knock this out?
That's the only two I got right there, brother.
You good, Blake? Or
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have that much here, so I'll just knock this stuff off.
That's good.
And then I got some old sheet. And yes, nice to meet you too, both of you. We'll see you again. I didn't hit this with a grinder yet or anything. I don't know if it's brass or if it's aluminum.
I saw in your one video that
Some of them are
I
brass.
thought I saw in your video that I thought it was brass. The guy grinded it.
Brass.
Where do you keep getting these from?
Dumpster. Dumpsters.
Oh yeah.
Dumpsters. I'm not sure what that. I think that one might be something different. Let's grab off the old sheet.
Yeah, let's just make a pile and we'll sort of
Yeah, I dumpster dive too, dude. I like dumpster diving when I get a chance.
find some good stuff. My wife watches this one chick on YouTube. She goes to find like makeup stores.
Yeah.
And she was finding like $60 worth of makeup in the trash that they just throw away.
You know. No, that's safe. That's safe. Only a couple things. This is it, man. This is it for you. I got
that guy. That's
no. I'm staying out too.
Okay.
That piece.
no problem.
This one right here. Goes so. And then I got some stuff inside.
Okay, yeah, bring it up.
We got to go through.
Start getting this way up.
Yeah. Old sheet and stuff.
You ever come across the lead sheet?
No.
I know they used to put those around like the boots that are.
Yeah.
You ever come across that when you guys are ripping off roofs and
We
stuff?
do. I got lead pipe boots. Is what I get. I like
bring
that.
me all the lead. I'll pay 65 cents a pound.
55 cents?
65.
65 cents a pound.
Mm-hmm. And then let me weigh up that zinc too.
Well, one day I'm gonna get out here and show you guys a video. Make sure this thing is still recording. This guy breaking down.
Yeah, bring me those lead boots.
Yeah.
Just really any lead, period.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so this was zinc.
He has the fastest method I've ever seen. He uses them 2 blocks right there. I watched.
I tore them all apart. I don't think I got another one.
I watched.
We're not ready to. I don't want.
This is just all I have for extrusion metal. Not much, a few pieces.
That's fine. You mind if
Look, how's that?
Nah, you got me more than that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's not. Hang on.
Not work. Not zeroed.
Maybe not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright, throw that back on. Okay, so 3.
3 pounds.
I don't know why it keeps doing that.
It does the same thing at the other place I go. Same thing. Yellow brass.
Oh, this is number 2, you're saying?
That's number 2, yep.
Alright.
Box of number 2.
20 pounds, number 2. Hell yeah.
Sweet. 20 pound, number 2. This is all number 1, I believe. That's copper too. That's all. I believe that's number. You tell me. You tell me. I might not have went through 100%. That's number 2, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, that's a solder. That 2 over there?
Yeah, that's 2.
2. My fault.
Actually, that.
No, I'm sorry. That wasn't even supposed to be in there. It's a magnet.
No, you're good. That's number 2. Solder.
That's no solder on that, I don't think.
These
It's just dirt.
So, so see, there still is because this is combined.
Okay.
So, but the piece that you cut off right here, that's number 1.
Gotcha.
Those you'll never be able to. Those will always be number 2. Yeah. Okay. Show up.
4 pounds.
Hell yeah. Dang.
This is all number 2. I'll just keep this one.
You give me the longest list of stuff.
That's awesome. This is my Bear Bright. That's because I micro scrap, buddy. Micro scrap. I take everything apart, man. Get everything out of everything.
Eventually you get the right tools and you get good enough at it.
That's right. Get quicker and quicker.
Yeah, you scared me with that knowledge. I don't know. But you know, I've been doing it for over a year now.
All right. 8 pounds? 8 pounds? Yep. Bear Bright?
Yes, sir. No one said nothing to me.
Yeah, you just have to look at that.
I'm out here. I ain't bothering no one.
Melting lead in North Carolina. That's, I tell you what, that's mostly 90% red brass. I do have a couple of, I mean, it's heavy red brass. I didn't cut that off.
I'll count all up for red. I don't think we've,
It's pretty nice there.
I don't think we've
That has dirt. This is a dirty red, but
yeah, there's a lot of
yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, so just, you know, I don't care. I'll just give that to you at the end.
I appreciate it. 26.
Yep. Red brass. That's nice stuff there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna give that to you.
And then we said all this was yellow.
Yep, that's all yellow brass.
This bucket should only be a pound.
Yeah, it's probably not much. Yeah, I would say it's probably not much at all. Oh, tar. Nice. Love it. That's everything.
That's all good stuff.
That's everything.
That's everything, sir?
Yes, sir.
Go. Yeah, I pay you different than everybody else.
Yeah.
Because you know your stuff and you got it separated. A lot of people
I try to do the best I can. It's
you do
better
good.
for me.
Alright, so Bear Bright, I had you at $3.90.
That shit should be going up. Bear Bright should be going up.
So 1 week it went up and down 50 cents.
Kidding me.
So we don't adjust our prices until we see that it
It's
stays.
constant.
Yeah. So if I paid an extra 40 cents, we'd be losing
I get it.
for that week. But I mean, it was a good week to sell it. 390, 385, and number 2 is 360. I really need Bear Bright because I have a buyer for that. Alright, so extrusion, I got you at 90 cents.
Yep. That's a good deal.
And sheet, I got you at 65.
Yep. Yep.
Cast, can we do 60 for cast?
Sure. That sounds good.
Zinc,
Yeah, I was curious about that one.
I could do 60 cents for zinc.
Okay,
I
cool.
sell it for a lot. Look at it. I get a high markup on eBay. That's I sell for seriously like $8 a pound.
Oh, sweet.
I gotta melt and everything though.
Yeah.
What do you want to do for red brass? Brass, we do 150.
160? I don't know.
160 for red
I mean,
brass.
red brass is a lot better.
Yeah.
It's got a lot more copper in it.
Yes, and it's also slightly magnetic too. Let's do. I honestly don't know because I've never sold any. You want to do like 160 for now?
We'll try it this time. Yeah.
Let's see
Then we'll look up what the prices are going for.
Yeah, I have no idea honestly.
We'll find out.
ACR, I did $2 last time for someone.
Okay.
That sound fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I have to figure them out. I have to figure that out.
Let's add it all up. Trying to get you out here. I think you said you're in a hurry.
I am. My sister's moving. I got to go to her house, help her get moved.
Alright, sorry, sir. I will continue to get faster.
I like my little tool though. I came across that the other day. It was in my storage building. And after you showed me what you did with them things, I was
You're
like,
like,
oh,
that's
this is it right here. Yeah. Yeah, this is it.
Cool.
Everybody liked your wire stripper too.
Oh yeah.
You see that? There were a lot of
I
comments.
didn't see any of those comments.
A lot of comments. Yeah, one guy said, oh, I see a wire stripper in Grandpa's future.
Oh, I did
Yeah.
see that one.
Yeah.
I saw that one. You must like that with all the people commenting.
Yes.
They are like, super nice.
I have great
I've never seen
people.
that nice of people on the internet.
I have that nice of people on both of my channels, buddy. Both of my channels are just the same.
You're lucky.
Everybody's awesome. I don't hardly ever get anybody say anything bad. All right, let's see how we did on that little bit. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 65, 66. $266.25. That little bit of brass and copper. That makes right around $400 for the day. All right, now it's time to go pick up left-handed Paul. We're gonna help my sister move the rest of the day.